Is your PC's USB holding you back? This StarTech 4-port card is the fix. Ever felt like your computer's USB ports are a tangled, slow-motion traffic jam? You plug in a fast drive and it crawls. Trying to run multiple devices is a recipe for frustration and dropped connections. Sound familiar? If your workflow is constantly waiting on data, drop a "stuck" in the comments. Let's commiserate before we fix it. That USB bottleneck isn't just annoying. It's costing you time, creating stress, and pushing deadlines. Imagine the anxiety of a file transfer failing during a critical project, or your VR headset stuttering mid-session. Now, imagine a world where every port delivers blistering, dedicated speed without the chaos. What if you could take back control of your connectivity for good? Meet the game changer, the StarTech.com 4-port USB-C PCIe card. This isn't just another expansion card, it's a performance powerhouse, engineered to eliminate bottlenecks forever. Its secret? 4 independent controllers, meaning each port gets its own dedicated 10 gigabits per second highway. No more sharing, no more slowdowns. Feel the satisfaction of transferring a massive 4K video file in seconds while simultaneously backing up to another drive and running your VR setup, all at full throttle. One video editor told us it was like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car for their workflow. The card slides right into your PC, and with wide Windows, Linux, and macOS compatibility, it's a surprisingly simple fix for a complex problem. It even includes a secret weapon for power-hungry devices. Curious? Keep reading, because the bonus trick at the end will show you how to. The benefits are immediate: pure efficiency, razor-sharp focus, and performance you can rely on. But don't just take our word for it. A leading hardware analyst confirmed it. Delivers consistent 10 Gbps speeds across all 4 ports simultaneously, a feat cheaper cards can't match. Influencers showcase it running 4 external NVMe drives at full speed, calling it a game changer for creators. Real users, like an IT manager, report deploying these cards with 0 failures or support tickets. Imagine that reliability. This TAA-compliant card isn't just a consumer gadget, it's trusted in government and enterprise labs, where data integrity is non-negotiable. So why are thousands of pros switching? Because they've felt the frustration of shared bandwidth and will never go back. The tactile click of a USB-C connector now comes with the confidence of a rock-solid high-speed link. Which feature would save your day? The flawless simultaneous transfers or the rock-solid stability? Comment below and let us know. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation waiting to happen. But professional-grade hardware like this flies off the shelves. Join the thousands of editors, IT pros, and streamers who have already leveled up their rigs. Don't wait for the next bottleneck to cripple your workflow. Secure yours today and feel the difference immediately. Click the link now and unlock the secret to maximizing your power delivery for even the hungriest devices. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.